Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Max, and today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Lasfit air inflator. Now this device can be used for a multitude of different purposes, from inflating tires on your car, your bike, your motorcycle. It actually even has an adapter so that you can inflate a ball if you'd like it to. And all of that comes in a nice compact package. As you can see from looking at the box, this thing is incredibly small, so incredibly portable, which is exactly what you'd want for something that you'd use on the go. Right now, this particular pump is currently on sale on Lasfit's website for $79.99. And while they did provide this item to me free of charge, they also provide me with a discount code for my viewers. So if you use the code mightymax at checkout, you can get 15% off your entire order, not just for this pump, but anything you have in your cart. Lasfit sells a ton of different automobile products, not just for a Tesla, but for any type of car that you may have, so they're definitely worth checking out. I'll include a link in the description below directly to this product and to their entire site if you're interested. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. We have a box inside of a box. And so first of all, very nice little travel case we've got going on here. It is soft on the outside, but definitely a hard shell underneath, which will keep the pump itself safe and very easy to take with you on the go. Nice little strap here. There is nothing else in the box other than this, so all of our hardware must be inside here. We have a nice little thank you note, our instructions. We have a USB-A to USB-C charge cable. We have what looks like a 12-volt car jack charge cable, which is great if you need this on the go and it happens to be out of charge. We have our hoses for tire inflation. Looks like you get 2 of those. And you have various adapters. Looks like one's for a ball, and the other one might be for some kind of inflatable, but it's great that you have these for alternate use. And then finally, you have the mini compressor motor itself. This is really an impressive size. If you look at this compared to my iPhone, you can see that it is about 2/3 of the size in width and about 3/4 the size in length. So really nice compact size, really thin as well. You can see all the hookups for your different charge connections. You can see where you insert the hose for the pump, and really nice device overall. Taking that plastic off, you can see we have all our controls here. Looks like we have a brightness setting, an increase and decrease setting, likely for PSI, setting your pump up. You have an M, which I would guess is for your different modes, depending on what you're inflating, and then of course your power. It looks like it also has an emergency flashlight here, which is great to use if that situation does call for it when you're inflating your tire. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. Let's see if there's any charge to start with. All right. And you can see here we have our digital display. This must be the PSI of whatever you're charging, so it reads that actively. We have our battery gauge up here, and then we have our desired PSI down there. If this works anything like the other pumps I'm familiar with, you would just tap this and it starts working. So very nice, very condensed design. It looks very sturdy, so if you're sitting it next to your tire like this or flush, you know it's not going to go anywhere. It's nice and balanced. Very heavy duty, solid design. I also do like the red and black coloring. I think that's really sharp looking. But yeah, I'm gonna fully charge this since, as you can see, it only came half charged. So in general, you should charge up devices 100% as soon as you get them. But yeah, let's do that now, and then we can test this out on some of the tires of the cars that I own. So if you're familiar with inflating your own tires, this process is gonna be a complete breeze to you. Simply attach the appropriate hose end to the Lasfit motor and run the other end to your tire. Once connected, power on the device by holding down the power button, choose the proper mode for what you're inflating, and then preset the PSI to the recommended tire pressure based on your manual. Make sure to do this correctly so that you do not damage your tires or have an unsafe drive. Once this is all ready to go, you tap that power button again, and the device will automatically power up and start inflating your tires. It is really that easy. One of the nice things here is that the screen not only shows you your active tire pressure, but it will also cut off when you reach the tire pressure that you've preset, which is pretty awesome. So you don't have to stand there and wait for the pump to fill up your tires. You can multitask while it's going without worrying about risking overinflating the tire. And that is really all there is to it. So if it wasn't obvious already, I really do like this pump. In terms of design and functionality, it's extremely high quality. Even the case that it comes in has this nice hard shell to it, ensuring that it's going to keep your device safe, which is awesome for something that you're going to be tossing in and out of your car and you wouldn't want to break. Beyond that, the pump just has a bunch of smart design elements to it that I think are really great. For example, it has these rubber feet on it so that you can lay it down flat on its side without damaging the pump. I can tell you when this thing is powered up and the motor's running, it is vibrating enough that if it did not have these feet, you would definitely scratch up the plastic, so really smart to have those there. It also has a built-in flashlight, which is great because if you're ever in an emergency situation or you just happen to be pumping up your tires at night, you're gonna wanna have that extra lighting so you can see the tire, so you can see the pump, see your surroundings, and it's really a nice safety feature and a good thing that they added that in. The device overall and its usage is just simple. Anyone can pick it up and use it, and it works quickly and efficiently, which is also nice to see since most of the time when you're filling up your tires, it's probably because it's cold out and you want to really minimize the time that you're standing out there waiting for them to inflate. The pump also comes with its own 12-volt power supply and all the hookups so that you can charge in your car on the go, which is incredibly important because in all likelihood, if you had to put air in all 4 tires, you might have to plug it back in to get that charge up. Knowing that you can do that while on the go if you happen to run the battery down is an awesome feature and just adds to the overall functionality. So all in all, I highly recommend this device. It's definitely the best portable pump that I've reviewed so far. And as someone who absolutely hated having to travel out to a gas station, either pay or just stand outside and fill up my tires at a pump that half the time didn't even work that well, this is a must-have. It's better than doing that, it's more affordable than having a full-up air compressor, and it's just really something that anyone who drives a car should have. Just for the added convenience of having your own portable air pump that you can take wherever you can go, and for the safety implications of having this type of access, makes it well worth that purchase price point. And if you are interested in this pump, as a reminder, I will include a link in the description below. Just remember to use my code mightymax at checkout to get that 15% off, so you're getting the best possible price for the product that you're getting. Thank you again, Lasfit, for providing this product for me for a review. Really enjoying this product, and I would definitely keep it in my trunk going forward. Anyways, that's all I had today. If you did like this content and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.